Good morning, all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Sahib Rahman from Sahib Info Site YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how, if you draw some shapes in the MS Word or MS PowerPoint, they are coming as shady, how to remove that shade. Okay, let's see. Let's opening the MS Word. Okay, new document. Okay, for example, here I am drawing insert shapes. For example, I am drawing here rectangle. This one, you can see it has color. How to remove this color? Simply you have to click here right and fill. You can see here fill. You can down, look here, no fill. Simply you click here, then here you can remove the color. If you want to change the color, you can change the color of the rectangle as you wish as well. Okay, but if you don't want, you want to write anything inside, then you can simply click here and you can add text. Okay, add text. I am adding here text. Okay, now I want to change the font color. Okay, here I want to add the text Sahib Info Site. Okay, this I wrote here. Simply you can use the same method. If you got the points easy for you and you got, then you can write and comment. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.